welcome back. Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and I got a little bit of an oddball car here. This is a 23 Ford Replica T-Bucket. So this was actually titled a 2013 model T-Bucket kit car. This one's got the 350 right here, out and open. Let's go say under the hood. It's probably got some internals. I didn't build it, so I don't know without the paperwork. It does have an aluminum radiator, electric fan. It's like disc brakes in the front and in the rear. Looks pretty cool. A little hot rod. Be sure to hit subscribe, share this video, check out the 100 detailed pictures we got, and I'm gonna go ahead and get out here and get on the road because I got about 10 minutes before it starts raining. We're gonna put it back in a showroom after that too. It's about that time. Let's go for a ride. Okay, so before I get in here, we're just gonna look around, check some stuff out. Cushions, it's nice. That's actually pretty nice all the way around. Got some digital dash going on. This one, what'd they say, start it in neutral? Okay, I'm gonna get in here. All right, yeah, not a whole ton of room, is it? Let's see if I can get my leg over on this side. Yep. All right, so yeah, I'm in here. Okay, so that's supposed to be park, reverse, and neutral. Starts up super easy. See the gauges, they're not actually flickering like that. That's the refresh rate on my camera. They are all cutting on. Looks like I'm gonna give it a little time on the water. Oil pressure's good. Tack over here. Looks like it's working. Charging. Try some stuff out. We got lights. I don't know what that does or that does. Horn on this one is under here, but it does work. Pretty simple. We're gonna go ahead and hit the road and see what else we can find. This thing's wild, guys. Here we go. Oh, not to mention there's no seat belt. Go ahead and turn this thing. It's kind of awesome. Giant fat tires on the back. Look at the front brake, I can make it lock up. This is really cool. Woo! A little windy up here. I'm sitting above the windshield, so we're getting blasted with wind. Steering feels good. It's not bad. Let's get into the brakes a little bit and make sure nobody's behind me. Ah. Well, she quick. Getting into those brakes and stopping nice and smooth. Not having no issues there. Water temperature never came up on this one. A little bit of room that we got in here. This is still fun. But yeah, windshield is a little low here, so you're constantly getting hit. Almost need a pair of goggles. All right, we made it up in here. That's pretty wild, guys. We're gonna get some outside shots, continue this test drive. Let's roll out of here. Radar says we got 5 minutes before rain, so I'm leaving. All right. I guess I need to use hand signals, because I don't see turn signals. I don't know what these do, but I almost thought those were turn signals at first. This thing's fun. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, she's a little bumpy. I know it's super windy in here. There's nothing I can do about that with the video. I'm literally just sitting out in the open. They're the fattest tires. Let me turn it right up here. Make sure they understand that behind me. It's fast, man. Bumpy. Real bumpy. Did you see that? That's that speed bump I was telling y'all about. It's small, but in something with little suspension, you can feel it. That's for sure. Woo! That's what I'm talking about. I see the rain over there. Let's go! We're gonna miss the rain. Not a drop on this car. Pay attention, senor. I gotta turn. Got Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did. Picking out the flaws coming up next. All right, let's walk this ride here. It's definitely a unique test drive. I like the fact that it was kind of open in the air there. At first I was like, oh no, y'all are not gonna hear anything on the camera, and then I was like, but it's kind of cool, you know, just riding around out in the wind. All right, let's go ahead and look around, man. This thing's shined up. Tires are in good shape. Everything's painted up on the frame there. A little stuff off in here, kind of burn up. Looks like maybe the seal is dripping there. It comes from the radiator, the little antifreeze. It was just a little wet, so it's very small, but it's there. And then a little bit of rust there. And, you might be able to clean that up. Like a scuff on the side here. Light scuffs there where this lid sits on top. Up here on top, you got some scratches. Work our way to the back now. Little spots there. You got a lid with the push buttons. Clicks down on top of these. You just push the button to pop it off. It's the fattest tires you've ever seen on one of these. I'm sure you've seen bigger. Got some chips there on the axle. Not usually able to show the axle. Chip there. That's all day, guys. A little bit of pitting popping up on your pipes and your exhaust there. This one's pretty simple. The carpet's a little crinkled up down there. Of course, you don't have a ton of room in this car. You have enough to have a good time, that's for sure. This is a pretty simple walk around. Everything's out in the open. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit subscribe and share. Also, if you want to pick up some shirts, we have those available. You just go to maplemotors.com and click merchandise. It comes to this back here. Optima battery and gas tank. And that clips on. Good deal. Thanks, guys. I'll see you later.